So as we are learning conditional rendering and to check conditions, switch case is equally important, especially in some cases to write the code in a more organized way. We can apply the same here as well. So now I'm going to open the switch statement here. I'll say switch. What we want to check is props.isAdmin. Now I'm going to write the cases, that is if the case is true, what I want to do, and then at the end I will have break. If the case is false, then the statement and break, and default can also be written. Now in this case I can return null. So if there is no true or false, something else, no value, no proper value in isAdmin, it will return null otherwise. Now here I'm going to return the prod items. In this case I will return the h1, the no data found, that is. So I'll just copy this, and we already have the default, so that is it. And I'll remove this return now. So now we have the code ready. You see that it is working the way we are expecting. So this is how you can implement switch case as well for conditional rendering.